Hi and welcome. So in this video, I'll explain you something about known as a software Encharge. This software is new in the market, but has really blown off my mind. I'm using email marketing softwares from quite a lot of time, and I have not seen any software like this, which is giving results like insane and is very easy to use. I highly recommend Encharge, and in this video, I'll basically get down into being an automation god on Encharge. I've been using this software for around 2 months, 3 months now, and I'm very happy with the software. And I'll see you, and literally tell you how many automations I have in this software, as well as how many things I am not doing on daily basis or manually and automatically are happening in charge with the help of Encharge. Right now, there are basically many features in this. Let's go one by one. The first is flows. Flows means automation. Basically, what automations are running. So you can see I'm literally having a lot of automations. That means total 6 automations are on and 3 are deactivated right now. I'll activate them soon. 6 are working right now, and these are big automations. I'll tell you how these looks like. Then comes people. These are the peoples. Then comes broadcast. That means mails that you are sending, right? So I tried sending some mails. Awesome deliverability rate. Awesome look and feel of emails, and everything was perfect. Then comes emails. These are the emails that I've written and I've saved. So basically, if you see any other email software, the biggest problem with them is that you cannot save emails by folders. For example, 7-day sequence, the YT sequence, the testimonial sequence. I have separate emails written in those folders, and I can write more emails and put them into those folder so that when it's time to send emails, I just need to click on the folder and every email is in front of me. So it becomes very easy. Now comes the metrics part. The metrics part is beautifully designed. So let's say I want to see these are the overall metrics of the platform, but I want to see no. Let's say my main flow, what is the matrix over there? So matrix change. So it's 17% open rate, 0 replies, and 2% click rate. Now let's say I want to change this, and I want to say any other flow. Let's say um, email after customer pays. So let's say someone pays to me. After that, they see this email. So it's 32% over open rate, 11% click rate, right? So you see metrics over that. Not only that, but let's say you are in the main funnel. You want to see how is email day 2 performing. You click on that, and now you can literally see metrics of that particular email. I want to see how is email 7 performing. Oh, even better, 25 and 3, right? I have literally every data point that I want to measure, right? So it becomes as easy as that. As well as you can click over here and save it as a PDF, right? Now this software is a little costly compared to every other software. It's right now I think 0 to 2,000 subscribers you get at $50 per month, but it's worth it. Believe me, it's worth it, right? In the link down below, I've also given a description. It's an affiliate link. You can definitely check it out. You can see the pricing. You can compare it with other products. But what I have found, I'm showing it to you right now, right? So let's come to flows. How flows look like. So flows is very easy to create in these kind of platforms, right? Let me show you how deep I've gone into. So basically, what happens is I have a VSL funnel, right? Someone clicks on a ad, they go to a landing page, they fill out their name, number, email. After that, they see a training video, they book a call, they come on a call with me. That's how my funnel works. Now, when someone opts into my funnel by giving their email, this flow starts. This flow which is in front of you, right? And now you can see how big this is looking, but it's complicated. But I'll tell you. I'll try to explain. So let's say someone filled the form. Now you need to add this tag. Then they wait. Then they check basically that has the person booked a strategy session or not. If not, then they go over here. If yes, they end the flow. If yes, then email one, wait, again check. If yes, same. If no, same. Right? And this funnel continues. Now you see I've also done lead scoring. Lead scoring means if the person, let's say I click on this, use lead scoring measure how people are likely to convert. So increase by 1. If you can see over here, it's written on click. That means if someone clicks on this email, in the link in this email, they have a lead score by 1. If someone opens, they have a lead score by 1. If the email is delivered, then they wait for some time, and again the whole funnel goes. And you can see how big this automation is. So I've integrated Calendly, Encharge, and WP Fluent Forms in one platform itself. You can imagine how easy becomes my work. I don't need to use external softwares. Now let's say I have another sequence, right? So it's Sunday call. So every Sunday I come on call with my customer so that I can explain them stuff. So if this is the case, then basically wait until 10 a.m. on Sunday. Sunday is my Sunday call, the one-to-one call that I give, the group coaching call that I give. So all my customers are notified at 10 a.m. on Sunday. automatically every Sunday, right? You can see there's an arrow, up arrow and down arrow, right? Let me show you like this. Yeah, up arrow and down arrow. That means on 10 a.m. Sunday, email goes, and after that it comes again over here. Then email goes, then over here. Then email comes, then over here. And you can see how easy it becomes. Now I don't need to remind people of something. If I want to remind someone of something, maybe an employee, a customer, anyone, I can just create a flow like this. It's done, right? Now comes, let's say, um, notify when someone books a call by email. So let's say someone books a call with me. Now how I can know definitely by email, but I want to know which particular funnel he has gone through so that he has booked the call. Now you can see send email notification. That means whenever someone books a call by this um, on this meeting, which is strategy session with Himanshu Eyes, I get a notification on my email, and then they tag this person and the email hits. Right? It's a short one, but it's very effective one because I can exactly know who is booking calls from my emails and who is not, right? Then email after customer pays. So let's say someone pays me. So if this is a tag, they see this and the flows end, right? So these are all the flows I'm running. You can see one more I'll show you. So this is course progress sequence. So all of those people who are into my course, I send them emails every week to ask them what is their progress, what is their update. Now I can do it manually, but I've automated it using the same software that I'm teaching, right? So it's Encharge. Now this is people. You can basically find all the people over here. Now this is broadcast. This is emails. You can write all your emails over here. You can see I've written every email. If I go to main 7 day email 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's 7 email sequence, YT sequence email. So I'm sending traffic to my YouTube channel, right, which you are watching on. And this is intro email, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, all these emails. Then comes testimonial email sequence. You can see all of that, right? So I highly recommend Encharge. What we'll do is we'll just see the Encharge pricing so that I can tell you guys what is the pricing. Yeah, so I was correct. So it comes 0 to 2000 at $49 for growth and $59 for premium. I know it's a little pricey, but believe me, it's worth it. Believe me, it's worth it, right? Just go over here, check out Encharge, create a free account. You have 14-day free trial. I've mentioned the link down. I've mentioned the link down in the description. Go over there, click on it, just check it out. If you don't feel like, don't sign up. But if you feel like, check the 14-day trial. Right, there's no credit card required. Do that, and hope you got value out of this video. And see you the next time. By the way, subscribe the channel.